If there's anything I've sacrificed during the first few months of my fatherhood, I would say it's watching TV series and movies. I was under so much pressure and I felt like wala akong right to reward myself and pamper, ganyan. But this year, we're going to do it differently. We are celebrating big with a Samsung Crystal UHD 4K Smart TV that upscales every moment. So this is my hobby now. I am doing simple things, so I would love being at home. Kaya sa mga friends ko dyan, wag nyo na ako i-invite. Kayo na lang ang pumunta dito. Etong TV, 55 inches na yan siya for perfect viewing experience. And yes, from time to time, I play my vlogs on our TV para hindi mawala yung motivation ko. Hashtag love yourself. And look at the quality. Or should I say, quality. It's like watching movies in the cinemas. Wala pang screen time si Alec now, but of course, kapag toddler na siya, I would want him to watch something good for kids. Baka may ma-recommend kayo sa akin, guys. Yung walang curse na shows. Di ba may ganong chismis? Yung may curse daw. Speaking of, I love how we can have stronger privacy with Knox Security, especially kapag may mga kids sa bahay natin, so that we can avoid mga hackers and malicious content, ganyan. As someone who's not really tech savvy, sobrang helpful ng Samsung Tizen OS. Like the apps you see on the screen, latest yan lahat. No need to download one by one, basta may internet ka, of course. Wait! Look at this. To make it even better, kinumbine ko yung TV with a C450 soundbar for a powerful sound experience. Sobrang in-sync yan silang dalawa. Miss ko na tuloy. Huh? Since we're also busy every day, masarap din yung di tayo mag-iisip minsan eh. As in, whether it's a quiet night of listening to music or streaming your favorite shows, this is my perfect way to unwind. Invest in moments that make life feel bigger, and let's celebrate these in 4K with Samsung.